Simulation solutions are a critical need for the ADAS and ADS systems to be commercially deployable. The recent trends of the L3 and L4 system features, verification and validation has shown that simulation solutions are a critical need. Simulation solutions provides a cost-effective alternative from a conventional-based vehicle testing. Simulation solutions also reduce the development to deployment life cycles for the systems to be commercially ready. Verification and validation of ADAS and ADS systems requires test scenarios which can replicate the reality of a real-world drive in which the systems are operating. Valid traffic scenarios which can help for the system testing to ensure that it is highly reliable and robustness is a critical need. Translating real-world recording to a replicable scenarios in a simulator is quite essential for the systems to be commercially deployable. We from NavInfo Europe, as part of our simulation solution, offer Scenario Extractor as a product which can translate the vehicle sensor data from the real-world recording in creating meaningful scenarios for testing the ADAS and ADS features. In order to create meaningful real-world traffic situations, from the Scenario Extractor, we follow the following process. Scenario vectorization is the process where we digitize the scene in which the real-world driving data was collected from the various vehicle sensors which were in the car. This helps us to understand the vehicle dynamics and the road scene environment in which the vehicle is operational. Scenario identification is the process where the actor dynamics and the trajectories are considered from the AI models and the computer vision techniques. Here we identify the events which are taking place in the scene relative to the ego driving behavior. From the identified scenarios, we assign risk scores based on the complexity of the scene in which the scenarios are taking place. In this way, we can narrow down the challenging scenarios which can find the edge cases to push the testing for the ADAS and ADS features to observe the critical behaviors of the systems. Combining all the information now we have at hand from the digitized scene and the identified scenario associated with the risk score, we export the scenarios into the industry standard format from the ASM OpenDrive and OpenScenario, which can help validate your ADAS and ADS features in your simulator. We from NavInfo Europe, having the expertise from mapping and AI computer vision technologies, the Scenario Extractor offers the following unique features. Automatic detection of the challenging traffic event type scenarios, fast turnaround to create scenarios from a completely automated process from your real-world drive data to create meaningful scenarios, creating accurate digitized replication from the real-world drive data, detection and tracking vehicles, object detection, distance estimation, and lane positioning using the state-of-the-art AI models developed in-house. Assigning risk scoring from the scenarios generated to create meaningful challenging scenarios which can help and validate testing the ADAS and ADS features. We from NavInfo Europe currently have the expertise and the experience of generating 6,000 concrete scenarios from the German highway covering 21 different event types. From the real drive data with the vehicle sensor information, we can extract realistic and high-quality scenarios, challenging the testing and validation of the ADAS and the ADS features. This way, we ensure the safety and reliability of such systems before being deployed in the market. Together with our partners, we are making the driverless car a reality.